Hello everyone, this is Pet Crochets. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be partnering with Caydo to show you guys their new automatic I-cord knitting machine. I absolutely love all of their products, especially their automatic yarn winder. I get so much use out of this. This is perfect for untangling your yarn or taking your skeins of yarn and turning them into perfect cakes, which makes it so much easier to store them. I'm able to take a full 100-gram skein of yarn and turn it into a nice little cake in under 2 minutes. So absolutely love this product. I was really excited when they reached out to me to ask me if I want to try out their automatic I-cord knitting machine. You're able to create uniform knitted I-cords in a couple of minutes and make a lot of yards of it, and it's just so convenient to have around. There's so many different crafts and projects that you can use this for. You can create lettering for your crochet sweaters or knitted sweaters. You can make drawstrings for your crochet wearables. You can create bag handles. You can even make multiple I-cords and then put them together to create some sort of design. You can make a handle, a bag. There's just so many different options for things that you can make using this I-cord machine. I use this especially to create like a belt for my tops or creating drawstrings for my crochet pants. It just comes in so handy and it's great. Now, the main difference between this one and the automatic one are the weights. So with this model, it does need weights that go on the bottom as the I-cord is coming out, just to keep an even tension as it's creating and knitting the I-cord. With this newer model, you don't need the weights. This is what the new automatic I-cord knitting machine looks like. Straight off the bat, you can tell that there are a lot more features to this machine compared to their first original I-cord knitting machine. So we have both a purl and knit option. Knit is just going to be the default that's knitting the I-cord, but then you're also able to unravel the I-cord using the purl selection, but this is more of like a manual system. And then we have 3 different speeds. One of the great things about this machine is that it does work with about 99% of yarns. They recommend a weight between 2 and 4, so any weight between 2 and 4 to get the best results with the I-cord. This is where we're going to be feeding the yarn into the machine, so we're going to be putting it together. Now that we have this piece attached, let's head over to the craft table so we could try it out. More details and information about this new automatic I-cord knitting machine will be available September 20th, so very exciting. And I have a special discount code for you guys. Use code PETPET for 15% off your entire purchase. Definitely check out their whole range of items that they provide on their website. They have a lot of amazing machines and supplementary items that you might be interested in. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.